My name is Natalie Carver and I'm the greenhouse manager at the Biocultural Conservation Farm here at Oak Spring. Today I'm going to walk you through how to start pepper plants from seed. Peppers are a wonderful vegetable to include in your home garden because they're relatively free of pests and diseases, and they'll give you a continual harvest from summer till fall. To start, you'll need a container that's 2 or 3 inches big. This size is ideal for starting peppers because you'll get a nice size root ball and the plant will still be small enough to handle transplanting. For soil, I'd recommend a specific seed starting mix that doesn't have any fertilizer or an organic potting soil. We use a blend that's made locally. It has rice hulls instead of perlite and coconut fiber instead of peat moss, so it's a little more sustainable. So to start, we'll fill our containers. The soil will settle a little bit, so it's okay to pack it in a little bit. Give it a little tap. And we'll make a dimple just a 1/4 inch deep. If you make a dimple too deep, the seed will have trouble finding the surface. I'm going to drop 2 seeds into the dimple and cover lightly with soil. So the most important factor in getting your seeds to germinate is temperature. Peppers, along with other nightshades like tomatoes and eggplant, they'll germinate best when the soil is 80 to 85 degrees. Choosing a windowsill with southern exposure is going to give you the best solar heat and also hours of sunlight. If you've ever had trouble starting seeds at home, I'd recommend getting a little soil thermometer, checking the temperature, and finding a really warm place to germinate your seeds. This pot I covered lightly with soil. You can also cover your seeds with a little bit of vermiculite or some sort of horticultural grit. So I'm gonna put these on a bottom tray so I can keep them watered easily. Seeds won't sprout until you, oops, that was a little too much water. You wanna keep the soil evenly watered until the seeds germinate. If watering every day is a chore to you, you can use a humidity dome to keep some of the moisture in. This will act as a little greenhouse, keep the moisture in, and also warm the soil a few more degrees. You'll just want to be sure to remove it when the plant sprouts so that your pepper gets good airflow and you don't have any fungus develop inside this germination chamber. These are the newly renovated glass houses. We have a couple different rooms that we maintain at different environments. So the center room is the warmest. That's kind of our incubator and our nursery where we start seeds and doesn't get below freezing in there. This room we keep open at night, so this is where we're hardening off our plants, getting them used to cold overnight temperatures before planting them in the field. This is our first batch of tomato plants. They will be going into our high tunnels, so they'll never see the open sky, but they're looking good and we'll be planting them at the end of the week. We have a variety of lettuces, brassicas, rainbow chard, scallions, and on that side we're sprouting ginger and turmeric. This is a Hawaiian red turmeric, and it's not quite sprouting yet, but we'll keep it tucked in. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.